Everybody, this is your girl Kim. I'm back again with another video. Welcome everybody. What's up to my riders? What's up to the people who watch all of my videos? No matter what your girl put out, shout out to you. You are my MVP of the channel. And because of you, your girl keep posting. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments. What do you think about the new Bath & Body Works floor set? Because y'all know they just put out the Halloween stuff, or they changed the floor set to the Halloween items. So what do you think about the new floor set? Leave that in the comment area. That's what I'm on my way to do. I want to see the new floor set. I'm not sure if I'm gonna buy anything because today they only doing the wallflower sale, but I might place an order because most of the wallflowers that I want is online exclusive. So I might place an order because the sale is 7 for $24, I believe. So that's like $3.50 a wallflower or a bulb or whatever. So I might place an order for one of them because I just have to have that pink petal and linen or something like that. Last time I placed the order for some wallflowers, I only bought 2 of them and I really like it. So I would love to get maybe 2 or 3 more of them. Plus they have some other scents that I would love to try. So I'm thinking about placing an order, but I'm not 100% sure. Also, I want to go to Nordstrom because I want to pick up a candle that's on the Nordstrom anniversary sale. So I'm gonna go and do that. And that's really it. That's all I'm gonna do today. So let's get this going because the intro is starting to be a little bit too long. So let's get this video started. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna head into Bath & Body Works to see this new setup. Let's see what it look like. I'm fine. Yes, the new Halloween floor set. I was so excited to see this new floor set. The sales associate said that this was the biggest Halloween collection that they have ever had. As you see, they brought out a lot of candle holders, a lot of soap holders. These are very nice. I love that. But the collection is really nice. I'm really excited for this collection, even though I'm not gonna buy a lot of items, but it is some items that I am gonna grab. Something I noticed that was different about the soap is the gel soap versus the foam soap have different packaging or the different labels on them. As you see, the foam soap is a little plain versus the gel soap has the design all over it. This skull head is actually a soap holder, and I believe it's $24.95, I do believe. And I think these little candle holders is $15.95. I think. I'm not 100% sure because I didn't even look at the price, but I believe that it is. This Halloween pedestal is $60. It's beautiful, but it's just not for me. I do believe this skull head, this wallflower plug do light up, as well as the dog light up, but I couldn't even tell you the price. I think they're $14.50, I believe. And these wall plugins are so cute. These pumpkin wallflower plugins, oh my goodness, so cute. I gotta get one of those. These are some of the scents that the wallflowers come in for the fall season. All in all, I can say that this Halloween collection is really nice. It has a little bit of everything, so I'm sure everyone could find something that they really like in this collection. My store did not have any of the other pedestals, like the suit, oh, I don't even know what it's called, but they didn't have that. They didn't have the hands. They didn't have the clear skull heads. They didn't have any of those items. So all in all, I like the collection. I decided to go to the anniversary sale in Nordstrom just to grab some candles. As I was walking down, I seen these throw blankets. If you know me, you know I love a good throw blanket, and these UGG throw blankets right here, oh my goodness, super soft. Oh my goodness, but the price is not what I want to pay. They're $70 on the Nordstrom sale, the anniversary sale. Regular price is $100. The barefoot dream blankets is, I think, $119. I cannot pay that for a throw blanket. I'm sorry. Even though I really wanted this UGG blanket, but I end up passing and just walking on down to the candles. These are the candles I came for, the Mala, the brand candles. Every purchase of a candle, they plant a tree, which I think is a really good cause. And also I think they do have a recycle program. So really good brand. I bought 2 of the 3. Maybe we can find a way to merge them. So that's the only thing I did for today. Don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up the video. Leave me a comment. Let me know, what did you think about the Halloween collection, the new Florissant? Also, did you buy anything from the Nordstrom anniversary sale? Leave that at the bottom, and I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.